So today I'm going to show you how to make battery cables for your deep cycle batteries of whatever application, with doing it yourself with easy to obtain parts and equipment. And so for starters, here we have my cables. Now your cable size depends on the application, the battery capacity. Okay, we have our wire cutters, heat shrink. Okay, also you need your heat shrink. And sometimes you can readily, when you order your cable, sometimes you may have deals where the heat shrink comes as a package already. Okay, we have our terminal lugs here. Okay, and we have our crimping tool, importantly. And this crimping tool could crimp anywhere from 12 gauge to 10 gauge. So quite an extensive range of crimping. Got my hammer. Okay, and importantly, safety glass. You need to have your safety glass. And for the heat shrink, we have a heat gun here. Okay, so these are the key things that you need. Okay, so let's get the connection started. So I'm going to start with the positive terminal. I'm going to strip the bare ends. Okay, like about so. Okay, then I could add the connector. And then I just need to do the crimping. Alright, keep it focused on that. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I'm going to crimp the other end, well, strip. Okay, this is what we have. Then we would add our terminal. Alright, then we'll just crimp it on. Alright. And we just have the heat shrink in place. Alright, so I'll do that for the positive terminal also. We already have the heat shrink in place. Alright. We can start with the crimping. Okay, it's all intact. One more end. Alright, we're gonna crimp this one on. And now the next step is we just need to apply the heat shrink. We're going to apply the heat gun. Right. Okay, first is complete.